Hey, Brands, David, how's it going?
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, I was just trying to see what day you want me to drop the Hellcat off.
Well, we got a little behind. We've got next Friday.
Sounds good. Thanks, buddy.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right, bye. All right, guys. So there you heard it. I knew they were pretty backed up, so no worries. Those dudes are awesome over there. They always take care of me. So I guess we'll be dropping off the Hellcat not till next Friday, but that's fine. Like, I don't want to rush them anyways because those guys always, you know, they take their time and do stuff the right way. I mean, it's not like they're slow at anything. They take on a lot of projects, and like I said, everyone's trying to get their stuff done with the track opening up so soon. So not till next Friday am I gonna drop it off, and he said it should be done the following Tuesday, but I kind of know how that goes, so I'd say the following Wednesday or Thursday, so which still puts us in time for TX2K. Now the thing would be is, can Kevin get his car done in time, would be the question. So we'll keep you guys updated on that, but I mean, my car should definitely be done in time, but Kevin's car is kind of another story. I know he's got his parts on order. I've got all my parts. Sure, buddy, you can go over because you have a Ford. See, I let him over because he has a Ford. There you go, Ford gang. But I know he's got some of his parts on order. I don't think he has everything. I have everything. Boost has all my parts already, besides the injectors, which I just need to bring from... What in the hell is going on here? See, all this construction going on. Looks like his trailer fell off the hitch. Holy shit! It's not a good way to start your day. Okay, dude, you have to let me over. This lane ends. Okay, that was smart. Holy shit, people! Come on! Anyways, so I've got all my stuff, so all I have to do is drop the car off. Really, essentially, it's just time at this point. Kevin, on the other hand, like I said, I know he's got parts on order. He needs to get the rest of his parts, and then he needs to schedule to get his stuff installed by Boost, and then schedule to get his tuner out here from Detroit, which he already spoke to his tuner, which, if you don't know, is Dan from Livernois. So that's who Kevin uses. Really nice guy. He does some awesome work also. Kevin's car is pretty bad. It pulls really hard. So Kevin's got to figure out how to get him out here and when to get him out here. So, but it looks like my car will still be done in time. Now I could go just by myself, but there's really no fun in that. So I don't know, we'll see. But I gotta go pick up Kevin from work because he dropped off the Trackhawk this morning. If you haven't, go to Kevin's YouTube channel, Kevin Van Voorst, my brother, and watch his video. The Trackhawk already has problems with it. It's got intermittent starting issues. I think it's fuel related, but we'll see. There's already a recall on some fuel relay for those Jeeps, so we'll see if it's that or if it's something else. But I think it's fuel related because it kind of takes a little bit to kick over, and when it's cold, it's even worse. So hopefully he gets that back soon. So I guess I'll be driving the Charger for a while. But I'm gonna go pick him up from work because because we dropped off the Jeep this morning and then I took him to work. So I'm gonna go pick him up and see where the rest of the vlog takes us. All right, guys, so we picked up Kevin. We stopped by Boost because Kevin's making his appointment to get his car done.
God damn, that shit's expensive.
His car is definitely not gonna be done for TX2K, but mine definitely will be. So if you guys think I should go by myself, comment below. What in the hell are you doing?
Jesus Christ. The guy should not be driving.
What an idiot. No turning signal either, of course. So I'm going to Ford right now to pick up my floor mats that I got, which I think are like the best thing you could do to any vehicle, especially trucks and Jeeps, because usually they get dirty, right? I guess. I wouldn't put rubber floor mats in my Hellcat. But yeah, I had a pair for my other F-150, but I gave them to my mom because she has the same F-150 when I sold my other one. So I'm gonna go pick up another set, and I like the OEM ones just because they always fit perfectly. I know WeatherTech's fit pretty good, but I don't know. For that stuff, I like using OEM products. So it's the tray style mats, 2 for the front, 1 large one for the rear. That's what she said. And Kevin's car's not gonna be done in time. You're an idiot.
It's not gonna be done anyway. Like, no
guys, comment below if Kevin
no
sucks.
matter how, we're not going to TX. I'm not going.
That's weird. My shit's ready.
That's great. Really? Because I guarantee it's gonna be cut and close.
What's the date of next week?
I don't know. The 15th.
Yeah. So even if it took him 2 weeks, it'd still be done in time.
It's a waste, dude. I'm not gonna go get smoked.
Yeah, Kevin's an idiot. He's out of control.
Oh, I am.
He just needs to buy a blower and quit being a bitch. You can make the same power on pump gas with a blower.
A blower
But
is
he just,
not.
man, I gotta have the 85 because that's a cool thing to do, I guess. 85 is for squares, man. Squares!
I'm not putting a fucking.
I'm out here gapping people on pump gas, baby.
On my car. Stupid.
Alright, guys. We're buying a Mustang. We're at the dealership. Oh, dang it. They got this thing all jacked up again. Alright, so these are the OEM floor mats. Sorry, my truck's kind of a mess right now. These are all closed from the website that we're shooting. So, so the back are just 2 normal carpets, and you actually replace it with a large rubber floor mat. Get these out of here. Nice large rubber floor mat. So obviously it's been folded up, so these will fold out once it's been sitting out for a while. But I like this, it covers the whole entire back area. Okay, so here's the front one. So this is driver's side, passenger side. The driver's side clips in, and both have this nice little hangover piece that actually, so it actually meets up with this plastic line. You might not see because it's kind of dark right now. But these are good because they protect your carpets. And then when you want to wash them, you just put soap on them, power wash them. You don't even have to really scrub them. If you spill something, you might have to scrub them a little bit. But with the rubber material these are made out of, they clean really easily. All right, so here's the rear mat. Like I said, I like it because it hangs over here. So it protects the side carpet if you drag your feet in. It goes all the way up under the seat and goes pretty far to the back. It's probably kind of hard to see because it's dark, so I'll show you again on the other side. But here's the front. Like I said, little hangover piece matches or meets up to the door sill. The driver's side clips in, goes all the way up there. And then I wish Ford would have put clips on this side, but the passenger one still is pretty snug in there. It doesn't really move around because it's formed around the little contour, so it sits in there. Same thing, meets up to the door sill, so it protects it. And here's this side. I just want to pull up the seat so you can see how far back the mat goes. So it goes all the way back here, which is awesome. So it's going to protect your carpets, and it's easy to clean. So little short, sweet, simple. Accessory is only 120 bucks for the 3 mats. Obviously, if you have the different Ford with the smaller doors, make sure you order the correct one. This is the Super Crew, so it's got the bigger mat in the back. But if you guys like today's video, make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39. We'll see you guys on the next one.